never, ever, 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 never, ever buy a torque wrench from Harbor Freight. They're shit. I have 3 of them. They're crap. They never snap over. Lesson. Boys and girls, look what I'm doing. Oh, heart rate monitor is gone. The heart monitor gone. They well, first of all, two of them were malfunctioning. Took them off, and they have now changed their diagnosis that looks like pancreatitis. While better, not necessarily excellent, but it's better. So anyway, back to more fun things. This. So enjoy as I go ahead and prepare things and put it back together, all right? Welcome back. Back on. She's back on the ground. The only thing left to do is take it for a ride. Everything seems to be in order. Everything's torqued down to spec, and nothing left to do but take it for a ride, make sure everything all is good. So that's it. Now let's go. So hey kids, here we are out on sugar. Look at that. Finally. It's only been, well, it seems like months. Yeah, it has been months. I think the last time I rode sugar was before I had my surgery. So that was like May. So last time I rode this bike. Wow, it's been that long. It feels good to be back on her though. Wow. Super comfortable, very happy. Glad you can come along for the ride. Unfortunately, it's later in the day. Maybe you can tell, I don't know. It's 6 o'clock. So I got some dinner plans at 7, so I get out for about 45 minutes-ish or so. And then ride home in the dark. So as I said earlier, the heart monitors that they had given me, the one they gave me started malfunctioning because apparently it works off of a cell signal, and I really don't have good cell service where I live, so the thing kept saying it couldn't connect, and other things were wrong with it. It kept saying other things about the monitor and all that. So I went back to the doctor, and they gave me another one, and within 10 minutes of walking in my front door, it did the same thing. So they said, well, you know what, then we'll just wait and we'll send you to a cardiologist as soon as we can get an appointment. But in the meantime, they had gotten the blood work back from the earlier visit, and that pointed to pancreatitis. Not that that's good. It's certainly better than a heart issue, but so what I have to do now, I've been put on a bland diet for 2 weeks. I know this is riveting conversation, and this interests you to no end, and you have been waiting for days for me to tell you about my diet. But yeah, I've been put on a. I want to go straight. I don't get to do. I don't know. I've never been this way. Yeah, so they put me on a bland diet for the next 2 weeks, and apparently that's going to. Oh, you know what? I can't go this way. So yeah, so I'm gonna be. Oh, this is, by the way, this is the Inlet View restaurant here. Very good. I really enjoy this place. This is a very nice place to eat. So if you're ever looking for a place to go munch, go to the Inlet View Waterfront Restaurant. I'm not gonna do anything on gravel. Low speed maneuvers. So anyway, so yeah, so the bland diet for the next 2 weeks, and then they're going to retest it and then see what that looks like. In the meantime, they're going to try to get me into the gastro doctor. So that's that. Am I feeling better about this? Okay, yeah, better. Somewhat, yeah, I think. So here we are out on the bike, enjoying the ride. I don't mind doing the tire thing. It's just a pain in the ass, you know. Right now, the way my garage is, it's a pain in the ass because it's just so disorganized and all that. So have you guys been watching $1 Million Bogan? Holy crap. The last one I saw was where he thought he was trapped in Zion National Park, but it actually wasn't Zion. But holy crap, you know, the things that this guy puts that Road King through should be a testament to how freaking good that bike is. I mean, he beats the crap out of that thing. And so I was just amazed by what he was going through, and wow, it was just unbelievable. But he's here in the States, and it's pretty interesting. And I don't know if you've been watching Itchy Boots. Probably most of you are. But her story continues to get interesting, and her travel plans and all that. And I have not watched the latest video, but I'm sure that by the time this video comes out, you see this, I will have been completely and utterly caught up. I think I'm 1 or 2 behind. The last video I saw of hers where she just left Moab. So hey, look at me, guys, riding into the sun again. See, a lot of our fellow YouTubers are out there in Sturgis right now. Who's jealous? This guy, he's jealous. So I've been watching her 2 wheels also, and she's been doing some pretty good stuff. I mean, they went out there for that ADV thing a few weeks back, and now she's on her way out there for Sturgis. She might even be there already, I think. I'm not sure. I have another video of hers to watch, and just amazing. I mean, really, people like her and a lot of them, you know, Doodle on a motorcycle, they get such great opportunities. It's fantastic. But yeah, some of my friends John from Loud Pipes Podcast and a bunch of the other guys they're out there at Sturgis right now. I'll get out there eventually. Hopefully next year, 2023. I hope to get out to... Some things have to happen first. Got to retire. You know, stop that working thing. And you know why? Work sucks. Once I can do that, but I'd like to do the Blue Ridge Parkway from top to bottom, the whole thing, not just North Carolina, but start at Skyline Drive in Virginia and ride that sucker all the way down to where it actually ends in Tennessee. 3 or 4 day thing, camping. Speaking of watching videos, if you get a chance, we've had, as you heard on the podcast, I had Nick Adams, the author of Nick Adams. He motorcycle books. He writes Moto Guzzi's. But I had him on the show several times, but he has a YouTube channel also, and he does a lot of really, really cool rides on his Moto Guzzi's. Really, really neat. So you might want to go check those out. There'll be a link in the description. I probably should get gas. Mustn't break from tradition, right? You know what? Let me get gas. Let me see if they have any, let's see if they have any under the, may contain up to 10% ethanol. Well, guess what? Guess who doesn't do ethanol? This guy. 10%. All right, never mind. Okay. All gasoline grades produce 10% or less. Okay, fine. Well, I know of one place that I definitely can go to get ethanol-free gas. Jesus, they're all... What the hell? All out of service? What kind of crap is this? You may ask yourself, why does he go here all the time? Very good reason. And I'll tell you why in a second. Here we go. Ready? Here's why we go here all the time. Those little words right there. Free. Two and a half. That's good. Now we're full. Where should I go? Well, let me go this way again. I know it probably sucks to have to look through my windscreen, my shield, but you know, it's the way I like to ride. Although I will admit, when I'm heading into the sun, like I am seemingly most times, it kind of sucks because the glare gets really bad. But, you know, if I need to, I just sit up straight a little bit and I can see over this thing. But, or I'll just peek left and peek right if I need to, you know. I have never, ever ridden this motorcycle without the windscreen. Ever. Now, the Sportster, I may take it off of that. Just for the hell of it. I have a little sports screen I can put on it just to give it some wind deflection. So my head doesn't bob around like this, you know, when I'm riding from the wind. We don't want that. Well, boys and girls, that is it for this video. Thank you very much for coming along for the ride. It was really a nothing ride, but it was just to say hello, show you I'm back out on sugar. Things are good, getting better, I hope. And my knee still hurts, and that's it. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for coming by. If you really like this video, please, by all means, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe down below. Links to my sponsors for the podcast will be in the show notes down below too, so make sure you go down and check that out. So I am Ted, and this is Ride with Ted. Thanks for coming along. See you in the next video, boys and girls. Ride safe. And peace out. Metal.